Welcome to Grade 5, Unit 1, Term 2, Poem Mother Nature. It's all about the hospitality of Mother Nature. Let's see what are the hospitality and the nature of Mother giving love to us. Let's see some glossaries. Hospitality: taking good care of the guests and visitors, strangers, unknown people, refreshing, renewing, virtue, high moral behavior, culture, the habits and customs of a particular society, fortune, luck. These are the some glossaries in the poem. Mother Nature. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with a smiling face. Wins the hearts in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. In this poem, described about the Mother Nature's hospitality. Mother Nature's hospitality means taking good care of the guests and visitors. Our Mother Nature take care of our visitors and who are the guests come to under the nature. It gives everything to all creature. Yes, it gives everything to all the creature. What are the things the Mother Nature gives us? Fruits, shadows, home for birds, and a refreshing place for the herd are the things given by the tree. There are no strangers under a tree. Strangers means no strangers are under the tree. Everyone can enjoy the nature of the Mother Nature. Okay, everyone can enjoy. Nobody can enjoy the trees, but everybody enjoy the shadows and fruits for tree get from the tree, and there is a home for a bird and refreshing place for the herd. And this virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Yes, this virtue is our culture. High moral behavior of our culture is follow it in your future. This high moral behavior you must follow in your future life also. What is mean by culture? The habits of the particular society. This is a culture of our Indian particular society. Then always welcome with a smiling face, win the hearts in life's race. Yes, always welcome with a smiling face. Welcoming the guest with a smiling face wins the hearts of all. Yes, if you welcome this guest and visitors with a smiling face, you can win everybody hearts. You can win everybody hearts. Then fortune knock its with bets those who cares for their guest. Fortune knock at its best means those who are take care of the guest will be the fortunate. Fortunate means they are the lucky people. Okay, they are the lucky people. Those who are care for their guest, they will be the fortunate people. Fortunate people means lucky people. Then what is mean by strange? Strange means unknown people. Those who are unknown people, they will enjoy the nature of our mother. Okay, Mother Nature gives everything for all creature. Mother Nature gives everything for all the creature and gives fruits, shadows, and free herds, refreshing place for the herds, and always gives welcoming with a smiling face. It wins all the hearts, and those who are take care of their guest, they will be the fortunate people. And we should follow the virtue in a future. Virtue means high moral behavior in our future. High moral behavior in our future. Next, rhyming words. What are the rhyming words here? Rhyming words means, I already told you, rhyming words means the last word of the line and it gives the same sound and same pronunciation. Okay. See the first line and second line. At the last word is nature, and the second line last word is creature. So nature, creature, rhyming word. Then tree, free, rhyming word. Bird, herd, rhyming word. Culture, future, rhyming word. Face, race. Best, guest. These are the rhyming words in this poem. Okay, Mother Nature gives everything for all creatures. Yes, fruits and shadows are free under the tree. Dance is our culture. Virtue, that means high moral behavior, is our culture. Fortune knocks with its best. Who dash for their guest, cares for their guest. Welcome guest to win everyone's hearts in life's race. Yes, if you welcome the guest with a smiling face, you will win. Definitely you will win the life race. Okay, children. So I hope you all have understood this poem. So be hospitality to other peoples like our Mother Nature. Be smiling faith with others and wins everybody's hearts, and follow the virtue in future. So you are a fortunate people. Thanks for listening. Thank you.